Welcome to Merullah Jamali Capital Markets Insights. Today, we're diving into the world of investment and exploring how you, as an international retail investor, can open an account in the Dubai financial market, or DFM. Whether you're new to investing or looking to diversify your portfolio, this guide will walk you through the steps to get started. So, let's jump right in. We'll cover everything you need to know about opening a trading account in the DFM, including how to obtain a DFM Investor Number, or NIN. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choose a brokerage firm. The first step is to choose a registered brokerage firm that operates in the DFM. Your brokerage firm will be your main point of contact for all your trading activities. It's important to select a reputable and licensed firm. Some popular options include Emirates NBD Securities, SHUAA Capital, and Al Rams Corporation. When selecting a brokerage firm, consider factors like their fees, trading platform, customer service, and the research tools they offer. Do your homework and pick a firm that best suits your needs. Step 2. Prepare required documents. Before you can open an account, you'll need to gather some necessary documents. Here's what you'll need: a valid passport copy, proof of address, such as a recent utility bill, bank statement, or rental agreement, a recent passport-sized photograph, bank account details for funding your trading account and receiving funds, financial information, including details of your income, savings, and other investments. Make sure all your documents are up to date and accurately reflect your current information. This will make the process smoother and quicker. Step 3. Complete the NIN application form. The next step is to obtain your DFM Investor Number, or NIN. You can get the NIN application form from your brokerage firm or download it from the DFM website. Fill out the form with accurate personal and financial details. Submit the completed form along with your required documents to your brokerage firm. They can often handle the submission for you, making the process even easier. Step 4. Verification and issuance of NIN. Once your application is submitted, the DFM will verify your documents and details. This process typically takes a few days. Once approved, you'll be issued a DFM Investor Number, or NIN. Congratulations! With your NIN in hand, you're now ready to complete your brokerage account opening process. Step 5. Complete the brokerage account opening. With your NIN, proceed to complete the brokerage account application form. Submit any additional documents required by the brokerage firm. Step 6. Deposit funds. After your brokerage account is approved, it's time to deposit funds into your trading account. The brokerage firm will provide you with details on how to transfer the funds. Step 7. Start trading. Once your account is funded and activated, you're ready to start trading on the DFM. Use the brokerage's trading platform to buy and sell securities. And there you have it. You're now ready to start your investment journey in the Dubai financial market. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment, so take advantage of the research tools and resources provided by your brokerage firm to make informed decisions. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. Understand the brokerage fees, including trading commissions, account maintenance fees, and other charges. Familiarize yourself with the trading platform. Stay updated with market research and news. Ensure compliance with any local or international regulations regarding foreign investments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to your chosen brokerage firm. Happy investing!